Morning.
Morning, coach.
Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you doing, guys? How are you? Can you please hear me?
Very well, boss. How are you?
I'm good. Let us milky, guys.
Oh, yes.
Wow, the C5 is playing well in VIB. I hope you can see it.
Yes, Crash 500. We are eating Crash 500, sir.
Yeah. We are going to hit TB1. Let us look for this guy. C5. It's a brief setup. Go and check what's happening on high time frames. Look for some BOIs. This was breaking market structure. We will return back to that area. So this is market structure break. Let us switch to 1 hour. You can see in 1 hour, this will be liquidity grab. Yeah, but we will not always buy in a straight way. We know it's a trend line liquidity. All those liquidities have been grabbed. This is what the trend line liquidity is, okay? This is liquidity built up, taking the liquidity. So let's say this is sell side liquidity, trade it. Right, this trend line liquidity. Oh, that makes sense. So on lower time frame is where we'll expect a good entry model. So we're scalping right now, and you know that this is mitigation of the FEG. When we collect this money, and then it will spike by coming back. This is high of the day now. So call it the halt. Okay. And it's low of the day. Load. And yeah, let us wait, guys. Let us switch to see 1000, crash 1000, guys. Crash 1000. This one. You guys remember VIX 10, this VIX 10. Play it well, guys. Yeah, this one crash 1K. This morning it's buying from this OB and taking forming equal low. So this is bullback. It will not that crazy buy. You know, this guy has been ranging yesterday. Since yesterday. So now let us take M30. Right. As OB. This OB, but remember Bryce bought inside from the discount, but it's not that strong because we still have liquidities formed yesterday here. This where the liquidities baited yesterday. Keep in mind, we will come back by taking these all lows. All right. So we have here FEG. Okay. We have FEG here. We have FEG here. Keep eyes on this FEG, the main threshold. And here you can see this is a breaker block plus mitigation block. We can expect the price to come back to this level. Okay. That area, breaker block plus MB, mitigation block. You can see plus FEG, we have BOI here. This is lower time frame BOI, let us say M30 BOI. That's what I see now. All right. So now you know if we are moving up, why we are moving, right? In a VIB, we have entered already, but we will exit somewhere here, right? We will not go above this area for targeting. You see, whenever price mitigates at the BB plus, everything can happen. In here, you can see in the morning, it baited orders here, and then it has taken here. So this is SSL also, or liquidity sweep. All right. Let us see what is next. Let us go and check the B5, guys. On B5, we're on sell this guy. I don't know if you're selling. We're selling in VIB. We are selling. We're selling, guys. We're selling this guy. So for sure, the only setups that will pay you today is boom 500 and crash 500. Let us keep watching. All others we will scalp, but these guys will pay us a lot today. I hope you are ready and you got your funded account. It's glad that the scalping entry, the scalping TB of crash 500 hit. Crash 500 hit TB1. Are you guys with me? Please type yes, type yes. Type yes. Thank you, I see you. Guys, we have also on this live on YouTube, guys. You can also join on YouTube or here, wherever you like. Brandon, Oskido, Jackie, I see you guys. You're with me. Guys, are you missing this one? Who is selling B5, please? We will sell up to this FVG. That's the setup we have in a VIB right now. All right. We will sell till there now. Then Bryce comes back, because when Bryce comes here, it is shifting this structure. You see, we're expecting market structure shift. We are not still reversing to the downside, but we know we are flowing the higher time frame BOI. That's why Bryce is still playing. And also something else that I told you is like, we can grab the liquidity. All high can be broken up. This all high, Bryce can take this all high. So it's up to you. If you can scalp with me and take this risky trade right now, because it's not confirmed with the concept of ICT. We're only at the high time frame BOI, but we need entry models. We do not have entry models right now. So if you're entering now, you have to wait market structure shift at 5 minutes or lower time frames. When we get a market structure shift and get a mitigation to the BD erase, then you can enter. So now I'm risking a little bit. Stop loss will be white, scalping until the FVG. When Bryce breaks this higher low, we are out, and then Bryce will go up to mitigate. So that this means, like, let us not miss the sniper entry. That's what I mean. So this is order block, it's red order block entry. Oh, it's amazing, guys. All right, all right. Do we have a small time frame structure break on B5? Yes, to confirm our entry. We do not have. We do not have, my brother. I can switch. We are in lower time frame right now. You can go 5 minutes. Now, let me show you what's happening on 5 minutes. There's no market structure shift to enter right now. We are entering with the order block. We mitigate at order block. Okay, that's the entry we have right now. Entry at the order block. So order block is also a rejection block. But the best and confirmed entry is when we get exactly market structure shift and go back, and then that is the right entry, guys. I hope you got it. Why my TB is above the FEG? You can see this FEG. I'm not targeting right now till here because we need market structure shifty and entry models to be formed. Okay, I hope you got the point. All right, we have the B1000, which is falling since yesterday. Okay, answer it. Okay, all right, it's great. You know, we have entry of crash 1000. Let us keep watching that guy. We need to look at lower time frame, okay, as we are. this guy. All right. We see this guy. Let us look at. All right. VIX 100. Waiting for here. But one thing I'm going to tell you is like we have don't close candles, and here we have PSL grab it. PSL merge it. And you see this is a don't close candle. We have here what is called the breakup block and the mitigation block. So this will be the mitigation plus the breakup block, but we're not focusing on right now because Bryce did not break it yet. So we know we have to see here market strength shift. All right. And as I see, we will get only breakup block right here, because whenever Bryce forms swing high, swing low, breaking this low, go up, only retest and then go down. Let us look at okay, so all right. I hope we are happy. Are we exactly enjoying that B5, guys?
Malindi ni kudu kukuleta na jana ya muno. Nekio post values Kenya. Manawe kila project primary kwa kwanza city. Negated community ya ikulu ya Malindi. Para ini ya sababu. Tengana kwa Malindi na Malindi na tengana.
Oh, I see Dennis. Mute yourself, please. Let us keep watching, guys. I think we do not need more setups today. Boom 500, crash 500 is enough. Okay, we don't need stress, right? We need to make money without stress. So this guy and the other one is enough. All right. Yeah, who's ever selling that guy? B5. Ah, you are in blue already.
Yes, boss.
Yeah. The only guys that will pay us today.
Boss, can we still enter
Yeah.
crash 500?
Let me look it for you. Although we are entering, we have positions of bullback. You can wait this spike when price mitigate at the FEG, or you can enter with your own risk right now. I hope you got an answer.
Small spike at B500.
Spike, let me look.
Yeah, at that point of interest.
Yeah, we still at the BOY. Let us expect everything. Let us expect everything, guys. Guys, are you sharing the Zoom link with others? Because I see new guys are joining the Zoom.
It is private, right?
What?
I said it is private, so it is not expected to be shared.
Yeah, do not share the Zoom link with others. Let
Of
us
course.
do it only debate once in a live
Yes.
session, okay?
Exactly. Exactly.
Is the YouTube private as well?
No, YouTubes, they can watch us, but we can share here everything, okay? Only us. They can watch the screen. They cannot see you. They cannot see your name. They cannot see our chats in a Zoom. We are chatting here. We are asking everything. Anyway, as Bryce, when we are in a BOI, Bryce pushes a little bit up, down. It can range on here even. Yeah, let us wait. You see, still we are there. Someone asking me about VIC 75. Let me look. That's Brandon. All right. All right. Do we have a spike? Yeah, C5. Yeah, you can check C5, guys. You got a spike. You see, guys. That's OB. All right, this is another OB. But this high time frame, and small FEG here. That's where the price wants to reach. There's small FEG there. Market structure break. Someone else joining now, Kelvin. I think. Yeah, guys. With that VIX 75. Let us reach lower time frames. Look what is happening on 1 hour liquidity or market pressure would be so good. Guys, we're now reversing from the FVG here. That's nice. All right. According to this, we have another FVG here. You see what I see right now? This is OB at high time frame. But why price exactly move it up from here? Let me show you. Even it did not reach that FPG. Let me show you. There's small FPG there. You see here. Buy side liquidity, grab it. Now this market just strip. is BSL. This FEG. So we have another FEG here. There. All the one who was asked about this guy, fix 75, you get the answer right now. Yeah, we can check it, but we need updates, guys. We cannot continue analyzing everyone. You guys see the crash 500 came back because we need models. We cannot move without model. Even if we grab liquidity, we need model. When we get a model, then we will wait for return to BD arrays. Let me show you. Yeah, we will move, guys. Don't worry. Someone asked me about step index. Let us look what's happening on the step, guys. So you were talking about this liquidity, right? But if you don't have higher time frame bias or daily bias on a higher time at a high time frame, lower time frames will mislead you. So we can break, as you say, we can break because we are still ranging in higher time frame. The step index is still playing on higher time frame. You see right here, this is still in accumulation phase on higher time frame. It can break down, or it can break up. But whenever you see a price at the downside, you can look for buys at lower time frames, okay? As the price is at the higher time frame BOI at the demand zone. So you can look for buys only at lower time frame. Oh, are we in profit that B5, guys? Kelvin, how are you? Hello, Kelvin. Hello? Hello, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
Are you following me from the VIB?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
What is your Telegram name?
I don't have a username in Telegram.
What?
I'll message you. My username is complicated. It's too long.
I say, what's your Telegram name, please?
Legion.
Legend.
Legion, yeah.
But you are not in my VIB, my brother.
I'll message you.
I message you.
I will.
I'm not getting I'm not getting what you mean, but I do not see that name in my VIB. Anyway, welcome now.
Oh, thank you.
Where did you get the link? You've joined it to the Zoom. Yeah, Kelvin, where did you get the link? You joined it to the Zoom. One more welcome.
Yes, thank you. Good morning. I got cut.
Morning, morning.
Morning, morning. Morning, everybody.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Are you making money?
Yes, we are making money. We're making money in this cold weather. Making money.
Wow.
Mm.
Wow, we are moving, we are moving. That crash 500 will come back. I have one position only. Who is buying the crash 1000? I will have more positions soon in boom 500 after this move is finished.
Yeah. I shall be with you.
Yeah, we'll have guys. Kelvin, please type your WhatsApp, your Telegram name here. Kelvin, your Telegram name, please. This is something I'm surprising today. Hello, Dennis. Dennis, how are you? How are you? Koji, how are you?
We good, we good.
Where did you get the link you joined to this Zoom? Guys, something amazing. I'm surprised that someone is sharing the Zoom link to someone else. You see that guy has left. So Kelvin is not telling me his Telegram name. Also, Gochi is new. So someone is exactly paying or sharing the Zoom link. That is what makes me sad, guys. This is private. You cannot share. I don't know why some Brand, Dele,
Yeah, I
Gomlemo,
think they don't wanna.
Jackie,
They,
Oskido. We are here only. Though I don't know why the other guys are joining. So someone is sharing. I removed them right now.
Yes, we mustn't share. Whoever is sharing is not doing right. Remove them.
I removed them all.
Yes, remove them. Remove them. They must pay.
Yeah, if he is in a VIB, everyone who joined VIB has my contact. I also know everyone's name in my VIB group. So that's why I asked it immediately. Who are you? Where are you from? Why did you join? Did I ask you, Romo? Did I ask you, Brand, Della, Jackie, Oskido? I'm not asking you guys. I know you. But guys, I don't know who's sharing.
Yeah, they must be removed. And you shouldn't do that. Where is Gallos? Gallos said he has got 2 names.
No problem.
Gallos, are you there?
I think not.
Yeah.
There is a structural shift on boom 500 at 5.
Minute. Okay, let me check it, my friend. Thank you for. I like that job. You know, when we're working together, we will not miss anything. Okay, guys, do not wait me alone. With the knowledge you have learned, please apply it and try to do. But that's not market structure shift, my brother. This is not market structure. We still have no idea until we break. This is the law, my brother. Bryce did not come and break this law. There's no law here. Are you thinking this is something? No, 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 no. Bryce must break here. That's market structure shift. I hope you got me. We still have liquidity here. We can go up. We can go up, okay? If price goes up here, this will be our market structure shift zone.
So Hosni,
Yes.
how far should the leg be extended for it to be a sustained low?
Like you mean how long will it take to break this low?
No.
Or to
How,
well, okay.
how much of it should it extend? What makes a low and a high? Maybe let me ask that. Because
Yeah.
even me,
Were you absent to the lesson? I've explained it. We need this win, 3 buy swing low, 3 buy swing high. That is what makes is win low and is win high. You can see here we have a high, okay.
yes.
We have high low, and we have another high low. That's swing high. And you can see here you can see we have low, higher low, it's a low, lower high, it's a lower high. And again, you can see that's what makes swing low. And
Yes,
here,
I see.
and then here you can see swing low.
Mm.
This is not the swing low. Swing low here. That's swing low. You can see here swing high.
Mm.
Price push it here, and then this will be swing high, but not that clear. As price is pushing up, we do not care about the highs because we break highs. Break the highs, okay. We breaking highs. We breaking highs. So the trend is up. We will not focus on highs. So now it is possible that this can be broken. Until this low is taken, we cannot say we shifted the price.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. It's very clear now.
You're welcome, my brother. Always look for the trend of the market. If the trend is up, if the trend is down. If we are breaking highs, so don't close candles are holding the orders. If we are breaking lows, up close candles are holding the positions or orders. For example, here, when you see here, price is pushing up, right? What is holding the price to push up is don't close candles. Don't close candles are helping up close candles to break a high. For example, here, these don't close candles are exactly started to change the character. So here, when we get the swing high, price move it a little bit. This is the don't close candle, right? So these don't close candles are helping the up close candles to break a high. And then these don't close candles are helping up close candles to break a high. This same don't close candles are helping to break a high. Okay, so when we are in a bullish, don't close candles are helping up close candles to break a high. I don't know another way I can explain it, but this, you can see these don't close candles are helping these up close candles to break this high because the momentum and the direction of the market is moving to the up, okay, upward. So we always break a higher high and a higher low is formed. by the don't close candles. A higher high, a higher low is formed until we see a higher low, and then price goes up, break that higher low. We cannot say when price, for example, let us say this is a currently formed higher low. If this is a current formed higher low, price must go up. Okay, it must go up. If it is not, then it must move down till it breaks here. If this is where we will expect the market structure shift, it will go up. If it goes up here, will be our market structure shift, because whenever it goes up here means these don't close candles are very strong. Okay, and then here this order block, which is the don't close candle order block, not the bullish one, this small one, that small candle will be the strongest order block here if price pushes up, not the green one. And then this order block is where we will look for the price to come back again and break. When it breaks here, this will be market structure shift. Okay, and then we expected the price to mitigate back to somewhere here, and then it starts selling. That's what I mean. But I don't think so. Price will continue to the downside, because here we have exactly an opening gap. I don't know if you can see.
Yes, we can see.
Yeah, opening gap with the volume imbalance.
Balance.
You can see. So price must come here, and then there is where it will form a bigger spikes. If it wants to spike, this will be a zone of spike.
Wow.
A bigger,
Lot of
yeah. There is also FEG below there. There is liquidity there. All those things came here. You see volume imbalance, imbalance, opening gap, FEG, order block, liquidity. So this area is
so much money.
It's packed.
This
Too much
is
money.
a very strong zone.
No.
Okay.
Wow.
When let us say price is fractal, it can do whatever it wants. It can go straight way by taking all these zones. Okay. What I mean is, like, it can break on all of these. Where are we expecting? We have FEG here. Below all the things we have mentioned it here. We have FEG here, right? So that FEG is area. Oh, someone is texting me. Let me look. So
Carlos, I see you.
yeah, Uzu.
Evariste. How do you pronounce it?
Ah.
Evariste.
Millionaires don't.
it?
Everest, that's Everest. Same.
Everest.
Yeah,
Oh,
Everest is a millionaire. You know, millionaires don't talk too much.
Hey.
Huh? Do we have spikes? No, I think it's only Z5 that guy is biking. No matter. We still need to mitigate a nice BOI to buy that guy. If we have a buying setup on Crash 500, guys, trust me, price can hit or stop loss event. And don't worry, we will have a good setup. I have posted a signal is taking the low here, and the low is not formed. This is not formed yet. So we need initial low. For the initial low, my idea, what I see is like, we want 1 hour BOI. No, 4 hour high time frame BOI. You see, this is what happens. But where do we want today? This is where we want, okay? Whenever price comes here, we'll wait 30 minutes for intraday BOI. Okay, we still want to push down, as you can see. So there is where we want to come, guys. So the daily is waiting for there, guys. If you don't know this, you will lose a lot of money. You guys see crash 1000 also is gonna going down. My idea is, let us wait, guys. Let us wait. Good setups, guys. That crash 1000 B500 is enough. Let us give them time, guys. Let me take something to drink. Stay tuned, guys. Let me allow you to share your screen. You can share your screen even. If you want to show us something you want to explain. Oskido, you can share your screen. Oskido, if you are there, share your screen. Are you there, Oskido?
Crash 500. I think of re-entering a buy on Crash 500 right now. Hello, boss.
Yeah, Oskido, you can share your screen, show us your analysis. Omlema also, you can do Jackie. Everyone who wants to share his screen and show us how you have your setups. Let us see, guys.
Coach, I'm sorry, I can't share screen because I'm using a phone and then unstable connection. Do you hear me, Coach?
Yeah, boss. Yeah. I can hear you. Okay, so others can share.
Yes.
I'm trying to share mine. I'm using a phone. Is it possible?
Yeah, you can do whatever you think.
No, it's saying you cannot share screen whilst other participant is sharing.
Okay. You can do it now.
Are we still on YouTube?
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
That's my Crash 500 setup. That's my Boom 500. What do you think, guys?
Praying for the setup.
What do you think on my Crash 500 right now? I'm buying it.
You're buying or you've bought? M15, 15 minutes.
That's the M15.
Okay. Where is Mrs. Millionaire?
says millionaire and shares.
Hello, hello, hello. I'm out of the trades. I'm going out. But the one who's sharing the screen, where are you?
Was Kido, he has run away.
Are you not sharing, my dear? We are ladies here. Let's share. Let's beat them.
C5 took me out, so I'm just watching. I left it running at night.
C5. Oh, I ate a buy. You
When?
last night.
Wow. I left it without stop loss. Hit my account. But I know you are doing well.
I mean,
That
boom
is-
500. Boom 500, not C. Boom
Oh, yeah.
500. You that buy. You.
You didn't share with us in the group. You ate alone.
You know what? I'm still not, I want to be confident with ICT. You know, I've been using indicators. So now this is a new concept for me.
Yes.
But I'm getting there. Like yesterday, even V100, I ate a buy, serious one, serious V100 buy.
Wow.
I slept around this. Where are you? Are we having the time zones? I slept around 1:30. Where are you?
You are in South Africa?
No, Botswana.
Oh, so I'm 1 hour. I'm 1 hour behind. I'm in Kenya.
Oh, Kenya. Hey.
East
Yeah,
Africa.
I slept around 2 a.m., which means it was around 1 a.m. there. Killing
Hey.
VIX 100. I never used to kill VIX 100 the way I did. You know, with this
Wow.
ICT,
Yes.
yo, with ICT.
Yes.
So I want to be confident first.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then now, I'll start sharing. But the problem is that during the day we are in and out. I'm on contract jobs, so sometimes I miss these setups,
Yes.
But I'm enjoying ICT, honestly.
Okay. Wow, that's nice.
Yes.
Okay.
Oskido, where is it? Oskido,
Yeah, can you see my
I
screen?
see you are a risk taker. Even your margin, I saw your margin level. You are a risk taker.
No, I once told you that I do my risk on my dashboard. I don't do risk management in MT5.
Okay.
Whatever that I
So,
bring to
Oskido,
whatever that I bring to MT5 is what I have risked already. That's the money that I'm ready to lose when you see that balance.
Oh. So,
My
Oskido,
dashboard.
why don't you
Yeah.
now, in relation to,
Sorry.
I mean, you can hear me?
Yes. I can hear
Yes,
you.
we are seeing you. Yes, we are seeing your chat. But in relation to ICT now, how are you related? I see you have drawn some support and resistance, but I don't see you taking us to ICT concept like POI, like
Okay. No, already this is an IC concept.
Let
What do
us.
you
Where
mean?
are you coming from? You are H. When you show us H4, H1. H4, H1, then 15 minutes, then 5 minutes. Your entry, how did you enter? So that we follow.
But did you understand that this was a scalp entry?
Oh, it was a scalp entry. So you are scalping from what? From POI of.
Okay. What about this zone? This one. This is H1, yeah?
Yeah.
Looks like we have something like an OB there.
Yes, yes, there's an OB there.
What about here? Do you see the
Where?
OB?
Can
But
you highlight it? Where we are referring to?
we had a bullish movement. Then we also have something to check this OB. Then on H1, that's where it is very, very clear on H1.
So it's an OB in H1.
This one, yes, it's an OB in H1. You can't see it here, but on H1 is clear. So H1 is a bigger
Okay.
time frame. To me, H1 is it's a
Okay.
big time frame because I'm
All right.
intraday trading. So when I come back to M5, M15, I come to that same zone and I saw this first push of market structure. This is a change in market structure. This one. Do you see that? Then it went back,
Yes.
then it comes back to the same zone. This same zone that I have highlighted is the OB. This is the IC concept, ICT concept.
Is that is the 1 hour OB?
Yeah, that's where the price that's where the price which caused this break of market structure came from. This break in market structure came from here.
Yes, I see.
So I'm doing it on a very, very smaller time frame. So it's a scalping strategy on M5. So we are expecting for price to move again up to break this and come back to this one and maybe drop from here.
Okay.
This will then go or lead us to break these laws to meet this order block here. This one. This one. And clear this FVG. This FVG is going to be hit once we drop from here. This zone. You saw where I marked with the lower time frame. Can you see my TP point on lower time frame? Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's where I think price would then drop. So I then broke it down to the lower time frames like this. You see? You see? So this is my art.
Yeah, you're artistic, yeah. Yeah.
So
we are following.
So I'll leave it like this.
You're still in profit.
Yes, this one. So I don't risk too much. I don't risk too much. Like you're saying, I'm a risk taker. I'm not a risk taker.
I see many positions.
This is just $17.
Okay.
It's not $1,000. It's not 500. It's not 200. But when it hits,
how much position is you place it? Show me.
So this one, can you see this? This is my position.
Can you show me how much? This is do or die.
Yeah, but I was telling her that I'm not doing my risk management in MT5. My risk management, I do it from my dashboard. That's why I take my money because I've got 10 options or 10 chances for me to transfer that money. So I transfer 20 by 10. So per day, I can transfer $200 from my dashboard. Then if I got hit on that 200, I'm okay with that. I don't care. But if I hit the market, I'm going to hit 500 per every transaction for every $20. So to me, I can even end up having $2,000 a day.
All right. So you are the biggest risky taker.
That's why I'm saying I'm not a risky taker. Already, I have managed
before
my
he goes
money
into the
from
market,
this.
he has already done his risk taking. He knows that this $15, $17 is what I'm going to lose if I don't get it right.
I said,
everything
I'm
is
only
well
telling
mapped
you
out.
guys. I'm only telling you guys. You guys use your stop losses, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Do you see stop loss on my account?
No.
So this $17 is the stop loss.
It's the stop loss. Yeah, that's just the way to put it.
So this $17 is the stop loss. So what's the problem? I've just taken my stop loss from my dashboard and they put it into MT5.
Then you don't care if it hits or not.
Yeah.
When it hit my stop loss is taken. I've lost $17. I'm ready to lose it. I don't care.
Yeah, that's another game.
That's really it's another perspective, really.
So I'm expecting at this zone for price to go down. If you check on H4, that's where my zone is. Can you check this? So I'm expecting price to hit this and go back to this this point, this one.
Leave it up, man.
So I want it to go up higher to touch this point on H4. Then it drops to touch here. Then after that, when it reaches here, I go to M5 again and check for this setup, this one. Okay, it spiked. Can you see that now? Right, this is a perfect example. It spiked. Look at that account.
You are a risk taker.
You see? So this 17 bucks is my stop loss, but it hasn't been finished yet with this spike. So I'll just wait.
But why do you prefer to lose money?
Sorry?
Why do you prefer to lose money?
It's not losing money.
So do you think you're coming to you're coming to the market to just take money?
To just take money?
Yes, you must make money out of
done. It's done.
It's done
Can
now.
you see that? Can you see that?
Your account now is done, but you were at $17. What is that?
Hey,
So $17 is done. I'm going to take my 20 bucks from the dashboard. Then I find another setup.
So and then you lose it again.
The guy knows where he's going to be buried before even starting the journey.
Okay, that's okay. That's fine. I want you to show something. I want to show you something.
All right.
Can you see this?
Yes.
How much is that?
We can't say properly. Let's see.
There's $18. There's $18 and 744 profit. Can you see my screen? So what are you talking about? 744 US dollars.
No, I'm saying 744.
Yes, that's the profit that I made from $18 there.
Oh.
That's the profit from $18.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, your game, you know your game well, eh?
Yeah.
Man, that's I say that risk management is risky taking because you are allowing that loss source stop loss amount for your margins. So you say my margin is my stop loss. So if you lose or not, you don't care because you know what you are losing. But the broad traders, they don't do this because it's like I allow this risk. Yeah, you allow that risk, but do you really know exactly that the price is always following you? You don't know, right? So you are still risking. If you even allow $15 or $17 for your margins to trade, and also Your margin is your trading or initial amount. Your margin is also your stop loss. Okay, so you said I allow this amount for making money or losing money. That is 50-50. Still, you are in a 50-50. If you allow 100, if you allow $5, it's same. So if you stay in the market consistently, are you also sure that the price is 100 following you every day or every trade on every trade? You do not show. So what will you do then? Risk $15, stay for lifetime. Do not target that big money, because right now, see, you have lost $17 with multiple positions. So multiple positions. So a lot size plus lot size plus lot size. That was a big lot size. It means you are greedy. You want your quick money with that small money from that small money. So you are gambling. It's a gambling, my brother. If you allow that amount for losing or making, it's the same. So I said it first. It's do or die, make or ma. Because you allow every day 200 to risk and make money. Now you will go, you Derived USD account, you will also transfer another amount. Now I know you are doing the same now. And then you will enter while you don't know that the price will always be on your way. You don't know. Price is fractal. I have been in this market for years, and I do not trust the price. I trust the knowledge, what I see. I trust the calculation, because I went to school and learned how to calculate, right? I calculate. You are calculating too, but the way you are calculating is allowing your money to someone else. Keep it up, man. We need different ideas. Your idea is totally different from
yeah,
my
I was
idea.
listening. I really take the advice, and I'm going to really try it on my other account as well, because I've got 4 MT5 accounts. So the idea that you have just said, I'll also try it again. But this one has been paying me. Yes. So I'm allowing for that that
No
idea.
matter, no matter if if it was paying you, it's okay. Do not change it. But the only problem you have right now is you are greedy. You are opening lots of positions with that small money because you want quick money every day. Change the lot size, open a small lot, maybe several positions, make maybe ×2 or ×3. But you are saying I want to make $18, 9,000, 1K. Guys, it's not possible at the same time. But if you want to make it possible, you're a risk taker. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. That's what I think so. So keep it up, my friend. Keep it up. We need another idea, guys. That's different idea. We need different ideas. It's not problem. What is not working for us, someone else is working for. Okay, if that idea is not working for me, or Skido has that idea and he's making money, no matter. But the knowledge we are using is the same. We do not have different knowledge right now here, because we are trading in the same concept. Anyway, keep it up. If it's paying you, yeah, do it. Never give up, but don't be greedy. That's my advice.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my mentor. Thank you.
You're welcome, big boss.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So that C5 had broken the low of the day. It's very, very hard, guys, to buy it now. We will not buy it. Do we have eyes on a B5, guys? B5 is going to shift in now, and that is aggressive sell. If it breaks down, let me share the screen. I was a gambler also, honest before, but now I'm not allowing any money to lose, no matter how much it is. I'm in Africa. Losing money is hard, my brother. I'm not allowed to lose a single dollar, my friend. Although market is sometimes very bad. You use concept, it is not accepting and coming against you. It's okay, but in everywhere in this continent, Africa, we have people who are in need money. We have to give that money to that people, or even our families or friends. Yeah, closest to people need a help.
Coach.
Yeah, Dele.
I want to thank you today for explaining the market shift for me very well.
All right.
The insight that you brought in this morning, it's worth millions to me. You know, I didn't know this thing that you have mentioned today. I went back to my step now, and what I was thinking was a marketing, shift, right? Marketing structure shift. I realized that it is not. I'm monitoring that step index now on the 5-minute candle to see if the shift will start from there. What I was saying earlier was no shift at all, according to the way that we have explained it. But now it is very, very clear to me now.
Wow. Wow, it's amazing, guys. If we know something or tools or any data points that we follow every day, we will adapt with what happens. Then that is, trading means like you must learn what repeats the price itself every day. You learn what the price does every day. And price always does what it has done before. If you learn and keep it in mind, that's what you need to learn, guys. When you want to trade with, you will trade with what the price has done before. You will always follow what it has done before. So market structure shift is something that happens every day. Not even every day, it happens on every time frame. You will see 5 minutes shift in structure. You will see 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 daily, every time frame, price shifts. So if price is shifting, you have to know that we need any other confirmations that we can align with the market structure shift. If there is no break, you cannot make decisions. When you see a break, you can make a decisions. You have many other informations that you can align with.
Yeah.
So that crash 1000 has no broken the daily low. Let us see what's gonna happen. I'm not trusting this guy at all. He will sell. Look at high time frames, crash 1000. Do not trust the guys. I will strongly weigh that guy. B5, we spike it again. I think we want to take that liquidity.
Spiked on boom 500.
Yeah, it's spiked. I'm watching here. You want a liquidity grab.
So there was a market structure shift here.
Yeah. It has taken
that one, boom 500, I didn't want to take it today. Boom 500, the lesson that I got last time on Boom 500 when it spiked that day, I didn't want to enter it without market structure shift on M5.
I told you already, we need a market structure shift for aggressive sell or buy. When there is no shifting, there is no move.
There is no move.
And so 1 hour BOI or 1 hour order block main threshold MTH price is there. I know some guys will snipe now, but let us see what it will do. Some guys will have positions right now here because it's at the main threshold, and then yeah, don't forget we can still break up because their buy stops resting above this high.
Boom 500 today. I want attempt. I'm so fascinated about the crash 500.
Are you still going to buy that crash 500?
Yes, I am because there's no break of those lows, which is aggressive. Those lows haven't been broken aggressively.
Can you share your screen? Let me show you something. Share your screen.
Let me try. That's hold on. Let me share just a moment, please.
Yeah, you said what, Oskido?
No, I'm saying crash 500 is still good for me because the structure on M5 is still very valid. It hasn't been broken.
Can you share the screen? Let me show you something.
All right, boss. Let me try to share the screen right now.
Okay.
My network, I don't know what is happening, but I think it's happening. It's happening. Just a moment.
You have issues sharing your screen?
Okay. I'm there now.
All right. Okay, first, one thing I want to tell you is we must have the price at higher time frame point of interest. It means price must mitigate higher time frame order block like H4. We are intraday traders. This thing you are doing will be safe when price is at order block of H4. Now switch 4-hour time frame. Okay, can you rotate your screen? Okay, rotate it. You have to rotate your phone. Yeah. Okay, back below this. Yeah, back. Yeah. Can you show us? Yeah, on the left. You see that low, which is below the entry. The last don't close candle, which is the red candle, the order block, mark it out.
You mean this one?
No.
This one?
No. Yes,
Yeah.
that one.
That one.
Yeah, mark out with the rectangle. Move it till the entry zone where you have the entry now. So that is what left. So why don't you think that the price is still moving towards this zone while you buy there?
Okay. My
You
thinking on
following
this,
it. Trust me, what you want to say is like, I'm buying at lower time frame, but lower time frames follow higher time frames. If you want to buy, for example, if price mitigate here, I would not buy at 1 hour or 30 minutes or 15 minutes even. I would buy at 5 minutes. If price mitigate here, I will look for entry at 5 minutes. So now you entered and got an entry of 5 minutes when price is not at higher time frame BOI. Switch to boom 500 now. Okay, rotate it then. Okay, you see that boom 500 mitigated 1 hour BOI. That's possible sell. You see there? That up close candle, which has taken that buy side liquidity, mark it out. You see, it's possible we can break above there, we can reverse. But this is safer than the buy, than the one you've bought, the crash. Understand?
yes, I understand, boss.
Yeah, so always try good and safe setups like this. Look higher time frame BOI. If higher time frame BOI is mitigated, you switch to 5 minute or lower time frame for getting a nice for good buy or sell. If this guy is paying you right now, take your money. If it's giving you 100 or around 100, take it.
What do you think, mentor, on this one? What do you think about this price coming here and then dropping to
it will come there, but did it mitigate a BD array? On the left side, go. Do we have BD array which we mitigated for reversal? Why do you think this market is reversing? Because that zone you market is where it will reach. But here, look for clear BD arrays. What is that BD array?
I think it's an order block.
You can switch any time frame. Look for something clear. That's not clear. Switch the time frame, any time frame, until you see something is clear. Okay, do you have something clear? Switch any time frame until you get something clear there. That's breaking market structure.
So I just think that this zone is responsible for these breaks.
Let us see how it plays. But
This
you are
one?
not showing me something clear there, my brother. That zone is, you see, we baited orders, and you see when there is a zone that the liquidity has been built, we must break below or above that zone. You can see price came back inside this area. It must break below this area for liquidity grab. When you see multiple highs and multiple lows at the same zone, is a build of liquidity. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So it's building a liquidity now. I don't see nothing else. That's a liquidity built up, and until price is at that zone, I cannot say we're buying. We have to break below or above. Let us see. Crash 500 and boom 500 are doing the same now. At 5 minutes, you can look at them liquidity grab for each one at 5 minutes. Buy side liquidity is taking by the boom 500, and crash 500 has taken the sell side liquidity. Which one will move?
Okay.
If we take the liquidity,
boom 500, what do you see there? Do we have a, didn't we have a break here? I'm
it has
thinking of
taken a sell buy side liquidity. Jake, you can check at 5 minutes.
I'm thinking
that
of
is a buy side. No, that's not a break.
Oh, that's not
that's
a break.
not a break. Yeah, that's not a break.
Okay. Oh, okay. So what about this one? I'm thinking of taking also boom 500 sell.
No. There is a low, swing low. Yeah, that's buy side liquidity. It has taken out. Swept.
So
that liquid.
Okay.
There's a swing low, which is formed by that leg. You see, swing high, swing low. Where the price is near the price. Okay.
Hello, boss.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. Do we have an entry on boom 500? As it seems like this.
You can enter boom 500. Yeah, because there are multiple positions already there, because it is sponsored zone. Even the broker, they may be into after the shift of the price.
Because so far we do not have the market structure shift, right?
Yeah, we do not have it.
Yeah. So it's not a safe entry.
Yeah, let me. I will post the picture. Wait.
So meaning boom 500 is not a safe entry, right?
You can enter.
Okay.
Are you with me?
So sure. the entry now is based on the fact that it has taken the buy side liquidity.
Yes, that is liquidity grab entry.
Okay.
So stop hunting entry, okay?
Okay.
But we are not shifted. Market structure is not shifted.
So that would make it 2 now. If one wants to seek for confirmation as it is, that means that one can patient for the market to shift. We already have the buy side liquidity taken. Then once we have that, then we can consider, a safer entrance.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
All right. We have the buy side here, and this is the shift. This is 5 minutes, as you can see. Can you see where I'm making, guys? Price has gone up. This is stop hunting, guys. Okay. This is stop hunt. Stop hunt. Where am I expecting the market structure shift? Here. This is win low. Here is where I'm expecting. Here's where I'm expecting the market structure shift. You see something very clear. All right. All right. We have opening gap here. You see this opening gap, this candle and this candle. There's no candle or price between there. On the other hand, this week, bullshit the price down, and this week, bullshit the price up. So between these 2 weeks is liquidity vote, or we call it volume imbalance. We have here FEG again with these 3 candles. FEG, opening gap, volume imbalance. All right. You see, we have a lot of things right there. For sure, the price will come this area, but we don't know what will happen after price mitigate that area. So when you see something clear like this, I have my TB1 on this FEG, which is hiding here. It's unfilled FEG. There's another unfilled FEG. There is bigger FEG here, but this one is the biggest, guys. You can see this one. This FEG is the biggest one. All right. Seems like here, but it's here, okay? So we have a target above that FEG, but the data point of all day today, the projective of the market makers is to mitigate this area. This price will push down, 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 and then come here. That's what's gonna happen. For this guy, it's all right. For this guy, let me switch to 30 minutes. Seems like we're buying. You see, I placed the stop loss here. I have the same positions like you have, but not that much. I'm not using bigger lot size like you do, using 0.3. I have the same positions as the projective of this market would be here. I am buying it, but I'm not placing a lot of positions like 2.5. I always use 2.5 lot size. But now I'm placing a smaller lot size because I know that this is not finished. Opening price is here. You can see price open it here. And that's the high of the day. You see, this is sell side liquidity. All right. That's what makes confirmation, my brother. But here we can see price has taken or swept a smaller time frame liquidity, but according to higher time frames, we still have remaining distance. This area is where it's possible the price can still come here and have an aggressive buy. So we need exactly to scale below time frames, but let us not risk too much. We have to risk small. Let me place somewhere here. All right, and then we can move this one here if it is possible. If not, then I will take my money when it reaches here. Anyway, that's it. Let me go on. This guy is still falling. The nicest time for buy is when we mitigate here. All right. When we mitigate this area. All right, that area. So I don't know if you can see the screen, guys. Are you with me?
Yes, we are.
Yeah,
It's
all right. All right, that's the nicest time. When you can look for buys, it's there, it's here, okay? On the other hand, this guy, on the other hand, here, we have boom 1000. Yeah, hey. Hey. So guys, that's it, guys. That's it, guys. Can we have updates on the groups, guys? Let us close the Zoom right now because it's far more the time we have.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, guys, we'll come on the groups. Let us have
Thank
it.
you,
Let us look this guy.
thank you, coach.
Thank you
So much.
very much.
You're welcome, my friends. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Eskido, thank you for your chat, for your analysis. It opened our eyes. Thank you, Eskido.